Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to grow your email list and deliver irresistible freebies to your audience, today's tutorial is going to be super helpful. We're diving into exactly how to set up an opt-in freebie in Mailchimp, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly collect emails and automatically send out your free download, whether that's a PDF guide, an ebook, or any handy checklist, without any tech nightmares along the way. Let's jump straight in. The very first thing you need to do is create a sign-up form, the gateway for your future subscribers. Head over to the Audience tab in your Mailchimp dashboard, then click on Sign Up Forms. Here, you'll see a few options. You can go for a classic embedded form to pop right on your website or make a standalone landing page if you want a dedicated, shareable link. Take your time to customize the text and design. Make it really reflect your brand and the value of your freebie. For example, if you're offering a 5-day meal planning guide, let that shine in your headline so people know exactly what they're signing up for. A tip here: only ask for essential info like just their email unless you truly need more. The simpler and quicker your form is, the more likely people are to stick through and actually hit that sign up button. Now, once your form is good to go, the next step is to set up an automated email. This is the magic that delivers your freebie without you ever needing to lift a finger again. Go over to the Campaigns tab, find the option for automations, and choose to create an automated email triggered when someone joins your list. Think of this email as your digital handshake. It's often the first personal interaction people have with you, so make it friendly and helpful. Make sure the subject line is clear and reference the freebie directly, like, "Here are your free checklist." This helps boost open rates since people are often eager to get what you promised. If this setup feels a bit technical the first time, don't worry. Mailchimp provides handy templates and guides as you go along. Take a deep breath and just follow the prompts. Step 3 is where you actually add your freebie. In the body of that welcome email, you can either attach your file directly, for example, upload your PDF within Mailchimp, or if your file is too big or you want to track clicks, you can link to a separate download page on your website or a platform like Google Drive or Dropbox. Always give a little context in your email before the link, like a short line about what they're receiving and how to use it. Here's a quick tip: double-check your file or link before sending to ensure everything works smoothly. Nothing's more frustrating for a new subscriber than a broken link or an inaccessible file. Once everything's in place, it's time to publish and share your form or landing page. When you hit publish, Mailchimp gives you a direct link. Don't let it just sit there. Add it to your website, share it on your social media bio, or feature it in ads if you're running any promotions. The more places you spread this link, the more chances people have to join your list and receive your awesome freebie. And that's it. Now when someone signs up, Mailchimp will automatically send your freebie out. That's instant value delivered and one more warm lead on your list. It may feel like a lot the first go around, but trust me, with these steps in place, growing your audience while providing them something truly helpful can become almost effortless. If this video made the process clearer, give it a like to let me know. And if you have any questions about Mailchimp or setting up your own opt-in freebie, drop them in the comments. I check every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, actionable tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy list building.